name is Sarvalogan Kandaya. I'm from DEE2A. My metric number is 10 DEE19F 2019. The purpose of today's recording is to replace the earth leakage circuit breaker. For replacing the ELCB earth leakage circuit breaker, you should wear appropriate attire and a pair of gloves. This serves as the purpose of electrical insulation. The tools needed are electrical leakage circuit breaker, double-sided screwdriver, and a test pen. ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. Throughout this video, I will use term ELCB. The first step is to remove the main fuse cutout. This is to stop electricity through ELCB. Keep the fuse cutout in the toolbox. You should never perform this procedure while electricity is running. Secondly, you should remove the front cover of distribution box by using a screwdriver. Place the screw in the toolbox for easy retrieval later. As you can see now, there are 4 wires which are called live and neutral. Detach the wire by removing the screws. Label the wires according to its nature, which is live. Use color wire tape for easy identification. Now remove the ELCB. To do this, you should use a test pen. Slightly pull the clip right behind the ELCB. It will detach easily. You can discard the old ELCB to any e-waste recycle center. In step 6, we can now install the new ELCB. Please ensure the ELCB must be in off mode by simply applying a little pressure and pressing it in. In the following step, unscrew the 4 screws in the new ELCB. The screwdriver I am using now is the double-sided screwdriver. Remember, do not perform this on your own. Let professionals handle it. In step 8, insert the live and neutral wire in right terminals. Insert the first live wire in the first terminal, the second wire in the second right bottom terminal. Insert the neutral wire in the second terminal, which state N in the ELCB. Turn on the ELCB by pushing the switch up. Then fix the front cover of the distribution box on its correct position. Carefully take out the main fuel cutout from the toolbox and install it back to the cutout holder. You now have your electricity supply back. Remember, do not perform this on your own. Let professionals handle it.